You took challenging classes, pushed through exams, and engaged in the extracurricular activities that matter to you. Guess what? That means you've already been preparing for college. Now, applying for admission is easier than you think. We've got the process outlined for you on our website and in these 5 simple steps. 1. Know your deadlines. We strongly encourage you to apply as early as possible your senior year. For highest scholarship consideration, submit a complete application for admission by our early action deadline of November 1st. If that deadline has passed, our regular admission deadline is February 1st. 2. Choose one of 3 application platforms. You can apply to IU Bloomington using the Apply IU application, the Common application, or the Coalition application. Choose only one of these platforms and submit only one application. 3. Work that essay. Whichever platform you choose, the IU-specific essay is your chance to show us who you are, where you've come from, and where you're going. In 200 to 400 words, describe your academic and career plans, include particular interests you are eager to pursue, and tell us if you overcame special circumstances or challenges in pursuit of your education. 4. Make sure your school sends us your official transcript and full senior year schedule. Check with your guidance counselor or IU Bloomington admission counselor if you have questions about this. 5. Have testing agencies send us your scores. IU Bloomington will only accept SAT or ACT scores sent directly from the testing agencies. And by the way, we super score, so send us all of your scores. That's it. Just remember to submit all of these materials to IU Bloomington early enough to meet the November 1st deadline, including your non-refundable application fee. Get the ball rolling and start your application today.